Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Hannah. So by the title, yes I look crazy right now, but I always look crazy. But by the title, I am doing a 24-hour glam transformation. Now, it took a little bit to get to this point here to where I want to do my makeup and glam up, you could say. So first of all, I dyed my hair. So I got a box dye from Target, and as a lot of you guys know, well maybe not, but I used to dye my hair all the dang time. In high school, I think I dyed my hair like probably 6 or 7 times within like a 4-month period. I went from like light blonde to like black in like 2 goes, and I did that myself, which was horrible. But anyway, so I decided I'd go for a warm color. Now my hair is not like virgin hair, so I decided I would go a little bit darker for the box dye because, like I said, after a couple washes it'll wash out and kind of fade. However, the color that I ended up getting, as you guys saw, is I think a lot different than the box. Now to me it's giving off some purple, red flecks. It is very dark. I don't think I have been this color, and like I said, I've been a lot of colors before, and I don't know how I feel about it, but you know, it is what it is. It's just hair at the end of the day. I used to have a pixie cut. If you guys know what that is, it's like you don't have any hair. It's like a boy's haircut, I guess you could say, but like that length that you see typical men have. But anyway, yeah, it's just hair, so it is what it is. Like I said, it'll probably wash out, fade away, all that good stuff. But after that, I realized, wow, I do not look good being so pale, so I went ahead and did a little bit of fake tan using my Loving Tan. I use this all the time, you guys. I think I do have a code. If you use hannahgarske, you can get a free mitt, so do that. I absolutely love Loving Tan. It does smell a little bit, honestly, like, you know, like a burnt Cheez-It at some point, but as soon as you wash it off, you're all good to go. So here we are. We have come to this point where I want to do a glam transformation and not feel bad about myself and like regret everything that I did. Also, I dyed my brows just because I went all in, you guys. So yeah, we're going to get right into today's video. It's a little thin in some areas, as in the color, like you can kind of still see the color, but anyway, I'm just gonna jump right into it. My skin was super dry this morning, so I did use a little bit of a moisturizer. However, I'm just gonna go back in with the Burt's Bees Day Lotion in Intense Hydration. Actually, first I'm gonna spray my face and my neck with the Maria Badescu facial spray. This top makes me look like I have huge shoulders, and my traps are just enormous. So I do have a fairly dark tan going on today. I usually wash it off right away so it doesn't get too dark. It looks more natural, but I will have to try to go for a little bit darker of a foundation, or I'll just mix something, or who knows, because I don't have a very dark foundation. I've also been really liking to do my forehead first, and then I move on to my brows, and then I do my eyes. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. Now, I'm not going to go for a very dark eye look. However, I will do an eye look, probably something like lighter, and it will just like kind of offset the dark hair, really is what I'm trying to do, because I have been doing a little bit darker eye looks recently, and that was with my blonde hair, and I feel like even then it was a little much. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to mix my LA Girl Pro Conceal with my NARS, not this one, but this one, the Natural Radiance Foundation in Fiji. So for my forehead, since I'm just starting off there, I'll just do like that much, and then probably 2 pumps of the NARS foundation. Yeah, 2, whatever. Okay, I can always go back. I was like, is it gonna be good enough? But anyway, yeah. Also, these, I feel like I'm pretty boss right now with all this bling, but I got it on AliExpress for like $13 altogether, so these aren't real is what I'm trying to say. But I should probably invest in gold. I don't know. I feel like only older people invest in gold. AKA my parents. Anyway, so I'm just starting off with my forehead. I do this because I feel like it gets the most coverage for your brow. Like you're actually able to put a little bit of product in your brow and help it blend out, because I always liked how I looked when I did my brows first, but I feel like my forehead wasn't really blended out enough close to the brow because I was nervous I'd mess it up. So I feel like this works the best for me. Put a little bit on the lids, but I will go in and kind of carve my brow out, and I do do try to drag that on like the side of my nose, like the bridge and everything. Again, just for like a really seamless look. So I will be doing my brows off camera and I'll be right back. I don't know what product I'm gonna use because my hair is dark, but who knows? Okay, so my brows are done. I honestly use the same exact brow filler that I use. I don't know how you say that, but I'm going in with this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do something a little different. This Sam Marcel palette. And I'll take this color right here. It's like, hello, it's like a warm chestnut color right there, and I'm just going to deepen the crease. And these colors, I swear to God, are really pigmented, so I have like so much dust everywhere. I'm really just going to continue to darken the crease. You can go as dark obviously as you want. This blends out so nicely. This is a Sam Marcel palette. This was sent to me but not sponsored. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off the eye. I'm literally using only 2 shadows for this look, but I'm taking this gold shade right here on my finger and just swiping it across. Like, look at how pretty that is. It's alright, I guess, whatever. Now, I typically like to quickly just highlight my brow bone, like, kind of loosely. I'm gonna go in with this Pixie palette, take this, like, really light champagne color, and just dust it across. And then going back in with that brush that we used and just blending out the crease. I feel like there's a whole lot going on right now. Okay, so moving on to foundation. Honestly, I didn't even prime. I'm gonna quickly prime using this No Pore Blem primer. Oh god, my fingers are all dirty, so that's great. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I mean, it seems like it worked out all right for my forehead. Could be a little darker, I guess, but I can just contour. So same thing. That's too much, but I'm scared. Shit. Whatever. If you ever go like too dark, you can always lighten it with contour, and then if you ever go too light, you can darken it with contour. So we're all right here. We're all right. Holy shit. Maybe we're not. Okay, it's pretty dark. Wow. But it does seem to match my neck, I guess. Alright, so again, I'm just taking my Morphe Y7 brush. I'm pretty sure this is now an M7. They just changed everything over to M's. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm just blending this out. I like to do like stippling motions and then just, I don't know, it's all super random. Stippling and then sometimes swiping. Okay, now that it's blended out, I don't think it's bad at all. I don't know, just sometimes on the viewfinder, I can be like overexposed. So I never really know if it's like too dark, too light. But I'm just gonna use the same exact contour and lightly contour my forehead, my cheeks. I'm just gonna go pretty light with this. I usually go a little bit heavier, but whatever. This is a glam transformation, so I might as well go hard, you know? Okay, that honestly didn't do anything. Okay, I lied, it's pretty dark. I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, this one, very light. So you know where I'm going with this. I'm gonna lighten it up a little bit, all that good stuff. I'm not gonna put any underneath my jawline because I feel like that contrast is a little bit too much, but when it's on the center of the face, it looks all right because it just looks more natural. I don't know. This should do the trick anyway. I'll just go whatever is left over and kind of stipple that there, and then I'm gonna quickly set my eyes, and everywhere I just use that concealer with my Airspun loose finishing powder. I'm gonna bake like crazy. I've been a little oily recently, so not really, but I don't really get oily. Oily for me, I guess. I feel like I don't even look the same. Obviously, like, I mean, I switched my hair, but that's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna quick contour with my NYX contour palette. I really like this one. I think the undertone is a really nice, like, kind of cool undertone. But yeah, actually, I'm gonna kind of dust the leftovers on my cheeks to help set it. And I am taking an angled brush. This one is just from BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go pretty precisely with this one, really to kind of chisel out my cheekbone and jawline. And then I have a very large forehead, so it looks huge in pictures too, which absolutely sucks because sometimes people with large foreheads, they get that angle, you know, where it doesn't look too bad. Okay, this looks muddy up here. But anyway, I have a massive forehead, and in some pictures I'm just like, holy crap, like it's insane. Okay, so while I'm letting my lashes dry, I just applied mascara. I'm gonna just kind of finish up my under eye. Now, I usually don't do a lot of stuff with my under eye. Of course, I just put all my brushes away, bitch. I'm just gonna go back in with this like peanut butter shade, pretty lightly, but I am gonna kind of stamp it underneath. I have like this kind of flat brush. I'm just gonna stamp it like I did with the last one. Now I'm just going to highlight. I'm going to be taking, again, the Pixie palette, and I'm going to be taking this, like, light shade. But I think I might mix, like, a tad bit of this gold. Ooh, I'm kind of scared, but Since we do have gold lids, I feel like a washed out light color wouldn't look that good. I don't know. When I am done highlighting, I always like to go back in with my contour brush and try to blend that highlight out a little bit more. I don't really like a solid line highlight. I'm sure nobody does, but... So for lips, since we're doing more like warm tones, I feel like London would look really cute. This is the NYX Suede Liners. I really need to find my pencil sharpener because this thing is hurts. I'm going to deepen it up just a tiny bit with the Sandstorm, also by NYX. I feel like this one is just a little bit too light. And then I honestly like to just add a little bit of chapstick on mine. I don't like gloss. I never have liked gloss. So I add a little bit of chapstick and I kind of blend out the liners together. So yeah, I'm just going to add my lashes and we should be done here. Okay, so this is my finished transformation. So what I did in this video, I did my makeup. So it's like my glam transformation. And when I think of glam, I think of like gold sparkles. So that's what I did on my eyes. I did like my basic like full coverage foundation routine, but I also dyed my hair and I did a self-tan. So that's my little transformation for you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know what you want to see next down below. I am more than happy to do what you guys want. I have a couple videos coming for try-on hauls and stuff like that, so make sure you subscribe, stick around, all that good stuff. Again, thank you so very much for watching. I really hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video.